Good morning. We are back again. Today we are going to continue with the art and craft section because many of my friends wanted me to help from me to decorate the bulletin board. So I am going to show you the main fold, how to carry it out so that you can cut any design which you want, right? I have got a piece of paper, but before that I'll be showing you on the bulletin board, on the blackboard, sorry. So this is your page, right? This was the page. After having this fold, I have cut it into pieces, right? Now I have got, this is my second fold. This is my second fold. Am I right? I'll put this paper down now. Now I have got my third fold. If your design is broad, you have to stop after the third fold, or else you can continue with the fourth fold also, right? This way. This is my fourth fold. Wherever you require, you pause the video and try to do it according to me and with me, right? So before I do it, I'm going to draw a figure with the pencil. Supposing I have drawn the figure here for you, the same figure I am going to put it. But before placing the figure, see that when you had the first fold, this was your joint. First fold, this joint will go inside. Second fold, the third fold. So these are the joints where you have to press it. And whenever you cut, you have to see that a joint should be maintained here as well as here, so that you get the complete border. Only this is the technique. Rest you can draw anything and do whatever you want. So let me draw a figure which is drawn over here for you. It is, I have made a leaf, right? I hope you can see. Or should I use a marker for you? Should I use a marker? Yes, 1 second. I'll be using a marker for you so that it will be prominent. So I have drawn a leaf. After drawing a leaf, I will put a curve. Now I have got a joint here also. Same curve, I am going to maintain it here. And then I am going to draw it to have this joint also once again here. So it is a sort of kalash, yes, but it seems very simple. When you will cut, you won't have any design. So to have a design, we have to cut it in between. Either make it this way so that it will look beautiful when you cut, and here you will have a leaf. Is it okay? Can you see? Yes. Now I am going to cut it in front of you. I have already cut it, but still I am going to do it before you. See the cutting. But I am going to cut it before you so that you may know how to cut it. Now when I cut, you can see, do the cutting carefully. Here is a joint. Yes. So I am going to cut this portion now. You can cut any design. I'll be giving you 2-3 drawings so that you can try at home for the others, right? Now you can see wherever I have cut, I have kept the joint also so that I may get the exact portion. See, I have got a joint over here. Now I'll cut it from the top. I have to maintain the joint somewhere or the other, so that I can have my design clearly. You can pause the video and do it side by side with me. Very good. See, this is the cutting. Now I am going to cut these 2 lines. Whatever I had drawn, I am cutting those pieces out. I am cutting those pieces out. Now one more piece is left, and then I'm going to open this border for you. Right. I am ready with my cutting. Now I am going to open the magic. Very good. You can see this one fold. This was the second fold. This was the third fold. Wow. Very beautiful. Can you see? Yes. Now after placing this border, you need a corner flower also. Right? So I'll be showing you one flower also, how to cut it. In that case, you will have to take a paper, square paper. You will have to take a square paper. Fold it once, then second time, then third time, and fourth time. The fourth time, right? You have to maintain this joint because this is separate. You have to keep up this joint also, but this is main one. Is it clear? Now I have drawn a picture for you, a leaf. Let me do it with the marker so that you can understand how to cut it. See what I have done? One corner cutting. Then I have made a V. Then I took this leaf. I made one more leaf side by side and this way. See this. Is it clear? Right. Now I am going to cut this before you. To see how you get the cutting. This is the corner which I cut it. Whatever I have drawn, I am supposed to remove. So let me show you how I am going to remove it and what figure I am going to get it out. It will be a very beautiful flower for your corners, and I hope you will like it. And you can draw anything, whatever you want. It's not that you have to follow my drawings or someone else's drawing. If by mistake also you do something, you are going to get a design out of it also. Right? Now I am going to cut this corner. I am going to show you how I have cut it. Very good. Now see. Can you see? This was the corner. This I made a V and then I cut the leaf. This joint is maintained. Now I am going to open it up. See my first fold. Now my second fold. Now my third fold. Wow. Now I am going to open my last fold to show you the flower which I have. A beautiful flower. Isn't it nice? Very good. So this is my flower. Can you see? Yes. So when you place the border and the flower, it will look very nice. Right? Now I am going to show you one cutting which, now this was my border which I made in front of you. And then if I place a flower in the corner, isn't it beautiful? Yes. So one cutting I had done which by mistake I had done it wrong. I am going to show you my mistakes also so that will also give you an idea. Now when I draw a figure, I am going to rub this and show you the figure what I have drawn. Right? Paper folding this is. Isn't it? Where's my chalk? Right. Now this was my design. I am going to enlarge and draw it. This was my fourth fold. Then what I did is, I just made a curve. I didn't know who to follow and what design I wanted. I just tried a rough drawing to see what design I am getting. I made a curve once, then I made a second curve, then I made a V. I had two half moons over here and this was vacant. So what I did, I just made a rectangle. Here you can see the drawing. Yes, I was supposed to cut the picture this way, But what I did is, I made a mistake. I was supposed to cut these parts and remove it. This could be removed, this could be removed, this and this. So what was left out for me was this picture, right? But by mistake, I cut out the extra parts. What I did was, see, the same figure it is. I'll try to show you. When I cut this, I removed this part by mistake. So what I tried to do, here also I removed it, and I have got two different designs. It is not that whatever you see you have to cut the same thing. No, if by mistake you are left out, you try to keep the joints attached with each other. I am going to open and show you. See, it is a sort of diya, right? Now here I have got more cuttings, and here in this second piece you will see that you have solid paper more than the cuttings. Let me open the third fold also, and then I'll be showing you. After cutting, it's very difficult to find out the fold, but when you open it, you get a very beautiful design which you can't imagine that it will be so nice. Very good. I have got the third fold also. Very nice. Somewhere or the other, it is, you have to be very careful while opening the fold. This way. Now you see, because of my mistake, these pieces are all separate. But if I straighten it up, this is another design. Isn't it interesting? Very good. I'll show you one more flower. One more flower I had done. What I did was, I wanted something heart shaped. So I thought of drawing a new picture. I'm going to show you 2, 3. Again, it is a round flower. For the round flower, you always need a square picture, a square paper. Sorry. So this was first fold, like this. Second fold, first fold, second fold, third fold, fourth fold. After having the fourth fold, you just see the folds, how they are, right? This fold, this side is joined. It's joined. And this side you can open. Now this fold comes here. So I wanted something different. So what I did, I made a small R. Very good. Then what I did, I made a curve over here. To continue this, I made a curve over here for both the sides. It is not that you have to be perfect. You can cut whatever you want and you are really going to get a beautiful design, I'm sure. Right? Now you have to put a V here. You can understand, when you put a V here, you are going to get a flower shape, and either you make a round or you cut it V. That is left up to you. Now after drawing this, I am going to cut this for you. You have to cut it in presence of your parents. Let me show you one more drawing. I think my chalk has fallen down. Let me take another chalk. I'll show you one more drawing side by side for the flower only. Right? It's very simple. You don't have to see anyone what you are going to do. This is very simple what I have made. Right? So what I did, the joint part, I had made a cut over here. Then I made a V. I continued the leaf up till this end, and then I came here and I went here. So what I am supposed to do, I am supposed to cut all this extra part. Did you get my point? See, I have cut all the extra part. You can see. Center one, outer one, V and the one. See here I have shown you. V, extra part and this part. So this was my cutting. I'm going to open and show you this first and then do this cutting for you. It's a very beautiful flower. First fold, second fold, third fold, fourth fold. Very, very difficult to open. Carefully, carefully. Fourth fold, and this is my last fold. Wow. See the flower which I got? Isn't it beautiful? You have to press it to make it straight, so that, one second, I'll show you. You have to reverse it back, press those things so that you get the flower open wide like this. Isn't it good? See? I'm going to place it with the tape over here so that you can see it carefully. Let me have a tape. Very nice. I'm going to place it for you so that you can see it. Isn't it nice? Yes. Now I'm going to show you the cutting which I was ready with. Right? Now I have done this cutting also. I had shown you this drawing, how I made it, right? This one, and I have cut this out. In spite of wasting time, I have cut it out. See, the center portion and the V which I had made. I found it empty, so what I did, I made one more V over here. That is here. Okay, now when I cut it, I got this design. This is very beautiful full flower for the corner. It's amazing and you will like it very much. You can do your own cutting. Wow! I just put up with the tape so that you can watch the design. One second, let me show you. I'm going to put up with the tape so that you can have the complete view of the design. Yes, I have got the tape. Very good. Let me cut it out. Very nice. Good. Now this is better than before, because when you keep on cutting, you are going to improve it better than something else. Isn't it nice? Just have a close view. You can see beautiful heart and the flower. Yes? Thank you very much for watching, and try to do these things. Practice it again and again and you will have your own design. Bye. Thank you very much.